My name is Manali. Basically, I'm from Gujarat, but residing at Chennai now. Okay, so today we are going to start with oil pastel, right? This one painting you all have seen, right? Take your scale and leave 6 centimeter from top. So this measurement will be 6 centimeter. Okay, you can take 6, either 7. Take a fresh page. It should be A4 size. Don't take more big size or don't take very small size. Okay, keep your paper in a vertical direction. Everybody see here, keep your paper like this. Okay, and we will make one. See, I'm making little bit darker so you can see it, or I can make with my pen also so that you can see it easily. See, you make one grass line. This is the line which we need for this one. Got it? Here this much gap only. Here this much gap only. Okay. Your page must be in vertical direction. We will make randomly the tree. See, always we should make a curvy tree like this. Okay. We will make almost 3 here, side by side, 3 there. One side. Okay. Center we are not making anything. See, now we are going to start this. Firstly, this waterfall. Okay. Just see. You just leave this much gap exactly in the center. See, this is our center portion. Everybody see here. Ayan, Anshuman, Avni, please see here. We will leave this much gap. Okay. Then from here, just randomly we will start. If it is a little bit up and down, then there is no issue. Okay. A long waterfall like this. Okay. And then from connecting, we will make some rocks. Randomly, so you can change the shape of the rocks also. Okay. After this, see, you have to make water. Okay. Sachi is already done. With lemon yellow first, we are going to make one sun shape like this. We will not border this time. Okay. Okay. After that, we will pick a center point of the sun. Ayan, you have done it, so you can start. Other all, just please watch for a few seconds. See, here we have to start a water line like this. And from here, again, very narrow. We have to show a narrow thing and we will do it like this. Can you see? We will make it more longer and then you have to just go like this. And you will go here also like this. Okay? Just make some watery lines. And here randomly we will make some grass. Fully we will make grass. It's like this one. You can see. Okay. See, you can see. I'll keep it like this. Make one yellow kind of mountain line. It's not mountain. You have to just make kind of mountain line with yellow color. Okay, Anshuman and Sachi and Avyan have done it. So they can start this thing. Penthalo green. Okay. So what we will do, we will make kind of semicircle shape. Okay. You can see I'm doing in a C, like a C curve. Okay. And your color, your direction will be like this. Again, we will make it here, but the smaller one. See? Okay. See, I'm making in a big space. You have to do your color direction. See, slowly should I show like this? If you are not able to make, then you can make a C curve like this. And then you can start. See, I have also the deep green and this is my Penthalo green. So you can use this shade. But don't use sap. That is very dull green. Okay. And then inside we will do light green with the mixing of the dark green like this. Anshuman, you can do this green color as you have finished the darker one. So you can do it here. See, all will do only this portion The same thing you will do it after the class. Don't start here, okay? We will finish first one portion completely here. Only this thing. Okay? Only this is the difference between this and this. Okay? See? Understood? This thing and this thing you can compare. Correct? Will you do it now? I'm giving you 2 minutes. Quickly do it. Yeah, with black color. Start. So those who have finished this portion, they can start this only. Don't make anything else. This to same portion, it will be your homework, okay? Main thing, sorry, water area first. All of you see here. See, this is my deep blue color. Okay, both the side we will make first in a round shape, bordering. It's okay, you can take any nice blue shade, okay? No problem. See, after completing this, you have to do blue stroke from both the side like this. Here it will come almost completely the dark blue, but little in a lighter portion. From both the side we have to do in a sleeping direction strokes. See, this is called stroke effect because we are not coloring, we are making stroke. Okay, both the side you have to make stroke. Here completely blue. And then again stroke from both the side. After that we will use light blue lightly in the middle like this. We should use lightly light blue. See, I'm not completely doing, but you can understand very well, okay? Okay, and on top of that we will be using definitely white like this. See, there should be no white gap. When you are making colors, there should be no white gaps between the colors. Okay, make it very nice colors. And who has done this? Okay, now you take your black color, both the side with the black oil pastel. Here it will be black almost because we want to show the depth effect. Okay, here the black strokes also done. So next for the stones, pick any stone. From left side we will start with the dark brown. Yeah, then brown. In a sleeping direction, you will color it in a sleeping direction. Then you will mix it with the yellow. See, just make one stone, dark brown, brown and yellow, and show me. Just make one. After making the stone, we will border very nicely with the black oil pastel. So it will give a very nice look. If you don't want to make, you can leave it. You can see here. Just make one only and show. Okay, all of you? Very nice, Sachi. Yes, Anshuman, after dark brown, you're mixing with the brown. Your color direction will be sleeping like this. And then yellow ochre. Yellow ochre means kind of this shade, see? Okay, now the easy thing. It's very easy for the waterfall. You have to border again with the deep blue color. First, you will give thick border. We have to give a thick border. You can use any of your dark, nice blue. And then you border here also. Same thing with the blue. Here also we have to color the blue only. See, time is about to finish. So is it okay if I explain and you will do it after the class? All of you? Because I want to talk also for 2 minutes. Okay, now listen all of you. After doing this blue color, you take your light blue and here you have to color fully mixing with this blue in a standing direction, and here you have to do mix with the sleeping direction. Fully light blue for this water area. Okay, understood? And here all the grasses you will do only light green. And at the end, listen all of you, it is very easy. At the end, what you have to do, Anshuman, Avni, everybody, you have to give a very nice border with oil pastel. Okay, with oil pastel you have to give everything nice border, stones, this grass line, and you should make some grass stalks here also. Then this trees will be fully black. Okay, then you have to border it here also. And Anshuman, you have started the black line, right? So that black line on top of this lines, you will do it after doing the dark blue, then light blue, and then black line. Got it? Okay, you have to border this, everything you have to border. You have to border everything. Okay, now tell me, did you enjoy this class? Say if you want to continue, you can again book for regular classes through PiggyRide. Okay, you can go to PiggyRide and you can search for me and you can continue twice in a week regular classes. In that class, I just want to share one thing, that every time I will give you drawing video before the class, so you can be ready with the drawing before the class. Okay, and what happened then, correction we will do in a class. All right, and then color techniques will be in the class. Got it? So I hope you have enjoyed and hope to see you soon. Bye.